Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right. Well, meteorologist Wes Perry made a great graphic showing the track of this EF0 tornado on Friday night. Basically went from around the Merriam area to in Lake Quivira area to Westport. And it was an EF0, and it was a peak wind of 75 miles an hour. And it was on the ground for 11 minutes, and it traveled almost 8 miles, and it was half a football field wide, 50 yards. And it crossed there I-35 over to Merriam, and then it went all the way there towards Row and Mission there through the Roland Park area, and then over to Westport. And it was an EF0. That means 65 to 85 mile per hour winds. And it shows you even these small, brief tornadoes can cause a lot of damage. And again, we were talking about, had it been warmer during the day, this line would have been a lot worse. And some of those tornadoes, there have been maybe more of these tornadoes, and the winds, straight line winds, would have been stronger as well. So just a refresher on the EF scale. EF0, 65 to 85 mile per hour winds. EF1, 86 to 110, and then it goes all the way down to EF4 and 5. EF5 is what occurred in Joplin on May 22nd, 2011. And an EF5, those can even suck you out of your basement. They wipe the house off the foundation and suck you out of your basement. They are extremely dangerous. The only way, really, to avoid any injury or problems is not be in it and get away from it. However, and thankfully, only 1% of tornadoes are EF4s and 5s. So that is the good news. But yeah, let's hope we never have to deal with anything that horrible. Now, in EF0, look how much an EF0 can cause. That was all those trees down and on a house and damaged trucks. I mean, it just caused a lot of havoc. We don't need these things. But we have another threat of severe weather on Tuesday. Now, it's not going to be quite the setup, but we'll talk about it here coming up. Before that, we have some nice weather. We have temperatures today around 70 degrees, a south to southwest breeze 10 to 25, and nearly 100% sunshine. Tomorrow, nearly 100% sunshine, and we're going to get to around 80. The record is 77. Then we turn our attention to the north. There is a cold front, and that is 20s and 30s. This is why March is so wild. Winter and spring are battling it out, and you can see the battle setting up there with the cold air coming in from the north. And on Tuesday, that is when the front will get into our area. The 20s and 30s could sneak into Nebraska while we're in the 70s. And that front is sitting there, and we're going to have a storm system come in from the southwest and some energy come in from the northwest. And this front are all going to start to get together. They're going to combine, become a more organized storm east of here. However, in the process, we will get in on the thunderstorm activity. And again, the situation is there's a severe threat, but there's also a flash flooding threat. And flash flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning combined. So I'll explain here how the setup's going to go. Gulf of Mexico moisture will be increasing. Now, on Wednesday, I'll show you here in a second, but on the severe weather outlook, we're at a level 2 of 5 already for Tuesday. The level 3 of 5 is up to our northeast, near where that surface low is. That's where the better chance of tornadoes would be. So for us, it would be wind and hail and maybe flash flooding. But again, we got to watch this. Of course, it's going to just evolve up until the last second, just like the other day. We just had to watch it to the last second, and the line ended up producing one EF0 tornado. And the severe threat goes all the way down to the southwest. Then the colder air comes rushing in on Wednesday, and we'll be in the 40s, and the severe threat moves off to the east. And look at that. It may struggle to get to 40 in St. Louis. That is incredible with here temperatures, again, windy and cold, and might have a cold rain to start. So now let's take a look at the precipitation. Tuesday morning, dry. Now, there may be a brief shower or a thunderstorm, but really it starts to get going later in the afternoon and evening. So we look at here Tuesday at 7 p.m. See the showers and thunderstorms beginning to line up? Now watch what happens Tuesday night. Look at this. This is midnight. That's 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., one round after another. And that is when you can get flash flooding. Now the question is, where will that zone be? Will it be in north of northern Missouri, northeast Kansas, south of I-70, south of Kansas City, or right around the I-70 corridor? Kind of depends where the front and the system all interact. And then once they do, and you set up a zone, it is going to be an area where there could be some flash flooding. And outside of that zone, you'll get rain, but not the training echo situation with the thunderstorms. And then during the day Wednesday, that all will move off, And that's when it becomes quite a severe situation Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. And look at that, changing to snow in Indiana. So yeah, quite a storm, but it's a fast mover. So we will continue to watch that as we take a look at our forecast today. Let's enjoy the near 70-degree weather. South to southwest breeze 10 to 25. I had a little wind on Friday. There's some sticks I think I'll have to pick up as well. And maybe go for an evening walk. It's going to be awfully nice. And the sun sets at 7:19. Sun rises at 7:41. And because we only have a minute longer of daylight today than we did yesterday, but everything is shifted an hour later, and then the daylight will get longer. The days will always be 24 hours long. And then by June 20th, the longest daylight of the year, well, sunrise, I believe, around 7 a.m. and a sunset about 8:45. So yeah, it's going to be, I think the sun rises before 6 a.m. and the sunset is about 8:45. That's a long amount of daylight. Then tomorrow, yeah, near 80. The record is 77. So it would not surprise me at all if we broke that record. And here is the super 10-day forecast for those thunderstorm chances increasing Tuesday and maybe a cold rain on Wednesday. Will that zone of significant rain set up, something we will continue to monitor. Then Thursday and Friday look pretty nice. And then look at that, it turns colder again early next week, up and down and all around. Welcome to March in the Plains and Midwest. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy.